It feels good. Some people say I'm crazy. I think I'm normal. You may think I'm crazy. I think I'm normal. You may be crazy, but you got to think you're normal. You got to be willing to get up, sacrifice, get up, put in that work, do this HIIT workout. We're about to inspire, motivate, continue to push the limit as I walk on the beach. See, sometimes walking is just as, walking is just as good as running if you can't run. If you want to run, run. But guess what? The finish line don't move. The finish line is the finish line. As long as you cross the finish line, that's the goddamn. I almost curse. I almost curse. But hey, guess what, guys? Most of all, I want to motivate you guys to move. Hey, motivation like bathing. We need it every day. I almost ran in the ocean when I decided I had to get in my car, and I just got new leather. And I don't want to mess up my leather. And then I got to go home. And that's going to transfer to home. I got sand on my body. And my body got sand. Just train your mind and your body to follow. We on the go. We're trying to move. We're going to inspire no matter what. Don't let the small obstacles in life stop you from growing, because I'm going to keep growing. Now, I don't know if I'm a jog, walk, or jog, walk back, but I got to go. Today, I challenged myself. That shit was very difficult. But guess what? Life is about challenges. I hadn't done sand dunes in years. And to get back out there and push my limit, I think that's what it was all about for me. I needed to push my limit. I needed to get outside of my comfort zone. So I challenge you guys to step outside your comfort zone. I don't care what it is you're doing, what it is you have to do. Get your ass up, step outside your comfort zone, push that limit. Let's be great. Let's be great together. Let's push the limit. And let's go, man. It's Just Train TV. Make sure you follow me at Just Train. Make sure you go to Just Train, get your Just Train gear, and let's keep pushing the limit. I got to go.